Trade fraud? Just paperwork? Or a global menace costing billions? Meet Lee, an importer who manipulates genuine invoices to evade taxes and duties. By forging import documents, altering origins, descriptions, HS codes and values, Lee saves thousands but leaves chaos in his wake. The result? Hundreds of millions in lost government revenue, market distortions and job losses, unsafe products entering markets, and currency depreciation. Authorities are looking for ways to combat this cross-border trade fraud. The solution? SGS Cross-Border e-Invoicing. A unique solution that ensures ironclad compliance and transparency in cross-border trade. How? Governments and businesses already recognize the benefits of electronic invoicing for domestic trade. SGS Cross-Border e-Invoicing extends these advantages to international trade. First, SGS verifies the export invoice issuer's identity worldwide. After authentication, the exporter receives a digital certificate to sign cross-border e-invoices. Then, invoice data is uploaded to the SGS Cross-Border e-Invoicing platform manually or via API by the exporter. The paperless invoice is electronically signed, digitally secured, and instantly shared with all authorized stakeholders, ensuring a single source of truth for customs, banks, and other authorities. And because Customs already holds a copy of the electronic invoice, if a company like Lee's tries to submit a different invoice with its declaration, then Customs will immediately see the discrepancy, making the fake invoice useless. From chaos to order, faster customs clearance, greater compliance, and improved tax collection, all in one. SGS, making trade transparent.